Our Easter dish this year, I'm doing a roasted breadfruit with saltfish, black bean salad, which is really nice, really easy to create, and really simple. We're gonna start with the hot pot with a little bit of oil, a little bit of butter. Add the onions. Add the bell peppers, saute for a little. Then you add your breadfruit. Saute for a little so that the breadfruit gets a little golden brown color. And this is the roasted breadfruit, clearly, that's cut up, that you're gonna add to the pot. After that, you're gonna add your corn. Then you add your black beans. Saute some more, make sure everything is nice and hot. Then you add your tomatoes at the end. And just toss everything together. You don't want your tomatoes to get too wilted. And then you put it in the bowl that you're gonna serve with. And at the end of it, you're gonna cover it with your vinegar, which is a citrus vinegar that we've made with lime, a little bit of orange, vinegar, salt and pepper, and made a nice emulsion just to cover it. For those who are thinking about not having anything meat-wise for Easter, that's an easy meal for you. Local dishes, local flavors. You can get these dishes from the Jamaica Observer in the cookbooks. That's going to be coming out, one for Easter.